Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm preparing food for our New Year's Eve tonight. It's about 9:45 here in the evening. So this is all the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have the feta cheese, I have wine, cumin, oregano, black pepper, a little soy sauce and tomatoes, and this one. I really love this one. I don't know why. This is smell really good. It's like basil and these are my favorite. But this is a Greek style. But instead of steaming it, I'm going to bake it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, well, first we need to mix it up all the ingredients except tomato and dill. Just like 3 tablespoons of wine, white wine. Okay. That one's supposed to be half a lime, but I don't have lime. But I passed the lime for now. So this one only 1 tablespoon. Just for the color, little. And this is like only dust of this oregano. Also cumin, just dust, like 1/8 this, 1/8, yeah, 1/8 teaspoon. And then a little salt, just a little salt. Yeah. Then we'll mix that up. And we're gonna put this one on top of the fish. Okay, now let's put the onions on the wherever we can put it on the side. There. And then it's gonna just drop this sauce on top of the fish. And then preheat your oven 375 degrees, and we bake this one to 20 minutes or until the fish is cooked. Okay, now we need to scramble the feta, but I don't want to just grab it there. Just like 1/2 cup of feta cheese. Just put it on top of the fish. Or you can just put it on the, you know, where the hole is. Stick in there too. I don't know why I really like Greek food. And this pita is organic. It's not salty. It's really, really light, and it's good. I bought this one from Costco. They are it's cheap, not really expensive. Okay, then let's spread this tomato on the side. It's just like a garnish later. There you go. Alright, let's bake that one, and we'll see you later. Alright everyone, here is my baked fish with feta cheese. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video. Okie dokie, see ya. Happy New Year everyone. God bless.